Hello everyone. I wanted to go through a few things about your WebQuest today, and so I decided to make this little video to show you where you can find the information you're going to need to be looking up and using the websites instead of just trying to Google search or something like that to find your answers, because that would be a huge waste of time. First of all, on the right side of my screen I have a copy of the Mineral Mania worksheet that you have, and it does say to use the sciencespot.net website, the Kids Zone area. I've made it much easier for you to get to that website, because if you go to modules off of Canvas, on the left hand side I've got my Canvas page open, you'll see that for today I have a module set up with the website link already there. If I click on that and then click on the gray bar at the top of the screen, it takes me straight to the Science Spot Kids Zone. So that's one step that's taken care of. Now, I want you to pay close attention here. Each section of the worksheet says site and then a site name. So in this case, the first section is site mineral uses. If you look over here on the Science Spot's Kids Zone, you'll see mineral uses is a link right below rocks and minerals. If I click on that, it will take me to a website that has lots of information, most of which is directly related to the questions that you're being asked for the first section on your worksheet. So for example, it says based on current consumption, it's estimated that you and every other person in the United States will use more than blank pounds of rocks, minerals, and metals during your lifetimes. How many pounds of the following will you use? If I go through here and I read through this very carefully, I will see a sentence that's very similar. It says based on current consumption, it's estimated that you and every other person in the United States will use more than 1,000,000 pounds. So there's my first answer for the first blank. Chances are the rest of these are going to be listed in the area just down below. Part 2 here on the worksheet says match each resource to its best use. I suggest you take a look at the mineral on the left, like for example aluminum. Find that on the website, aluminum, read the description, and then find the corresponding description on the right hand side. Write the letter into the blank, and once you finish that, you're finished with this particular website. So if I go back to my rocks and minerals site, I can now scroll down on my worksheet. My next site for the next section says fireworks. So I look, I find fireworks here again under rocks and minerals. Click on fireworks, and it gives me information about the colors of fireworks and the minerals that are involved in creating that. So I would match the colors with the minerals according to that website. Also, reading the website is key because it will help me answer questions. The last section of the worksheet says site mineral groups, so that's not this one that I've just opened on fireworks, so I'm going to go back. Mineral groups happens to be right below mineral uses. I click on that. Here I find the birthstones. Clicking on the link from there, I can find the birthstones for each month. Most months have 2 birthstones, a few have 3. I believe there is one month that is listed with 3 on the website, but only 2 on the blanks on your worksheet. So just use what information you find to fill in the blanks. Other questions that are here would be minerals that glow. You might want to read through these descriptions. Minerals that glow might be in here. Well, looky there. These glow under ultraviolet light. So I would click on that link, find the minerals, and go forth. Same thing with gemstones and mineraloids. Once I've used all those websites and I've completed my sheet, I'm done with this task. And if you have any difficulties, you can ask a partner to help you navigate the sites, but since everything's provided for you on Canvas, I would imagine you would have very little difficulty. Rewatch this video if you need to, pause it if you need to. All of these WebQuest worksheets will be due Thursday when I return to school, or at least when I'm planning to return to school, and I expect them to be done and done well at that time. That's all for now. Good luck, and get to work.